Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania to a bank account. First, open Cryptomania application on your mobile device. Once inside the app, you will see the dashboard, which includes a graphical chart displaying various cryptocurrencies' performance. Locate Bitcoin and ensure you have enough Bitcoin to withdraw. This is important because you will need to sell your Bitcoin to get cash. Next, choose the trading pair you want to use. For instance, if you are selling Bitcoin for USD, select the BTC or USD pair. Now tap on the sell button to initiate the selling process. This will take you to a new screen where you can enter the details of your sale. On the selling screen, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell. You can use the amount multiplier to specify the exact quantity. Review the details of your transaction. Make sure everything is correct and then confirm the sale. This will convert your Bitcoin into the selected currency, such as USD. After selling your Bitcoin, go to the withdrawal section of the app. Here, you can enter your bank account details and the amount you wish to transfer. Finally, confirm the withdrawal. The money will be transferred from your Cryptomania account to your bank account. The processing time may vary, so check with your bank for the expected timeline. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.